Segrist, I have a feeling we probably talked about this at sentencing, that you weren't supposed to have any contact or communication with her. And 8 days after you contacted her, or at least tried to, you are going to end up in prison for. If you do it again, we will not be here with anybody saying, good morning, are you Angela Reyes?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is cause numbers 26 DCCR 0265, 0787, and 0788. Ms. Reyes was previously in court, entered pleas of guilty in those 3 cases. And I've received the pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review that report?
No, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor. Yeah.
Any additions or corrections?
No complaints.
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Reyes, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty in each of these cases freely and voluntarily. And cause number 26, DCCR 0265, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney's office and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 10 years. You're ordered to pay a $1,000 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, and I'll go over some of those in just a minute. And cause number 26 DCCR 0787, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm also going to follow the agreement that you made and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 10 years in that case. Same thing, you'll have a $1,000 fine and be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. Actually, hold on, there's only a fine in 26 DCCR 0265. There's not one in 0787. And then in 26 DCCR 0788, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I'm going to follow the agreement and defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 10 years. You're ordered to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation in that case. Part of those rules and conditions are that you're going to be on the mental health initiative caseload, and that's to give you whatever help you need so that you can be successful. The important thing about that is if they say that you need counseling or medication or whatever it is, whether you feel like you need it or not, it's going to be ordered that you do it, okay, for your benefit. And if you do everything that you're supposed to while you're on this probation, this is a great, great opportunity for you. You don't have a felony conviction on your record. You'll be able to finish this without any issues, and the cases will be dismissed hopefully at the end if you are successful. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. In 2 of your cases, you could be revoked and sent to prison for 2 to 10 years. And in the other case, you could go to prison for 2 to up to 20 years. Do you understand?
Yes.
I will sign dismissals and all of the other pending cases as part of this agreement. I'm going to hand you, in these cases, the trial court certifications that shows that these are agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal.
Yes.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning. Are you Eric Segrist Jr.?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Segrist, the best you can, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You can put your hand down. Will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
He does.
So let's just go through that motion. Mr. Segrist, in cause number 25, DCCR 1836, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation May 18th of 2026 for burglary of a habitation, and that was a 10-year sentence that was probated for 10 years. Is that correct?
I thought it was probation for 5 years.
It shows 10.
It was 10. It was 10 years.
It was 10?
Yes,
I thought it was 5.
Okay. So it looks like it was for 10. And then it alleges that you violated your probation. The only count is count 1. It shows that you violated the conditions of your probation by attempting to contact the victim of the offense, Perla Munoz, through the smart communication messaging system at our jail, May 26th of 2026. And is that true or not true?
It's true, Your Honor.
Did you enter your plea of true to count 1 freely and voluntarily? Is there another?
He's right, Judge.
Is it 5?
Voted for 5.
Oh,
Okay.
10 for 5.
Okay. Well,
I had to double check it 2 places, and it's 10 over 5.
okay. Thank you. Well, thank you for bringing that up. Does the state wish to amend that motion?
Yes, Judge.
Does any objection to
Okay.
that amendment?
Line, put it in a second. 10 and make 5.
Yeah, that's easier said than done on a computer.
Like, you go paperless, it's all going to be easier and better.
It's also like the tiniest writing ever. Okay. So 10-year sentence that was probated for 5 years. And did you enter your plea of true to count 1 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you plead true to that count because it's actually true?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so it's my understanding that you guys have reached an agreement, Mr. Smith and Mr. Lewis.
Yes, Judge. He's just started on probation. We would ask that the court admonish him that he cannot have any contact with his munos, and that we will we've offered to keep him on probation, make sure he's on the mental health caseload, stays on his medication, and has no contact whatsoever.
So, Mr. Segrist, I have a feeling we probably talked about this at sentencing, that you weren't supposed to have any contact or communication with her. And 8 days after you contacted her, or at least tried to, you are going to end up in prison if you do it again. We will not be here with anybody saying, let's give them medication, let's help them, let's put them in programs. I'm not going to hear it. If you try to contact or communicate with her in any way, you're looking at minimum 2 years up to 20 years in prison. And I'm going to take it very seriously. I can tell you that. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
So whatever the relationship was, it's done.
Yes, ma'am.
And there's no reason for you to ever talk to or communicate with her again. If you do, you'll go to prison. It's that simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to find that you entered your plea of true to count 1 freely and voluntarily, find that count true, find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue you on probation. Again, same condition, not to have any contact or communication. Any issues, you'll be on the mental health caseload. If you need any help with whatever it is, probation's there to help you do that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I was wanting to ask you, if I could have any access to like a mental hospital or higher release, after I get released.
Talk to probation about that as soon as you're released, because they have options. And if there's something that they can find for you that's inpatient, it's hard to find some inpatient. There's outpatient stuff that you can do. But there might be something that they can do. You need to talk to them about that immediately. Okay.
A probation officer.
Yes.
Okay.
As soon as you get out and you're released from custody, go straight to probation, make that appointment, talk to them, explain that you feel like you need some help up front. So that you can be successful later, and I'm sure they'll do everything they can to do that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Go back with the bailiff. And Jody, if you'll just make a note to let his probation officer know that.
Officer is not officer.
Okay,
So,
that what he's asking for is, thank you.
Judge, could you pronounce the 45-day jail sanction in this case?
Oh, you didn't say that out loud when he was standing there. Y'all might have said ahead of time.
Yeah, we said it ahead of time. We said it was a 45-day jail sanction.
With credit for any time?
Yeah.
So there will also be,
He's still got another 2 or 3 weeks to get to serve.
right, yep.
yeah, just play. There you go. Big judge needs you.
Yeah, so Mr. Segrist, it was also part of that agreement or recommendation that you serve as 45-day jail sanction as a part of that for you violating the probation. So I am going to order the 45-day jail sanction. I think you have some time left on that. You can have probation. If you can have them maybe go out there while he's there so that as soon as he gets out, maybe there's something in place, that would be great.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, you can go back with the bailiff.